Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on Sharp Android TV. Parental controls on this TV are only applicable to the live TV, so you can lock some channels or some channel ratings. You can unfortunately lock any apps, but at least you can lock the channels. So let's go to the settings in top right corner, then you'll see channel, go into that, then find parental controls, go into that, then enter the pin that you have set while setting up the device. If you don't know that pin, then it's not too good, so you should know it. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in channels blocked, I don't have any channels because I don't have an antenna plugged in, so it doesn't find any channels here. But if you had any channels, then you could simply block certain channels that you don't want your children to watch, and in order to watch those blocked channels, it'll require you to enter the PIN. Then there's program restrictions, so you can enable it, then change rating systems to like the original rating, whatever, then go to ratings. You can enable or disable blocking unrated programs. So if a program is unrated, you can block it just as a precaution. Then for your country rating, you can select, like, for example, how old is your child? Like, let's say for 13, so all the programs in TV that are for 13-year-olds or younger will be available, and all the other ones will be only available after entering the PIN. So that's how you change it. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna disable it. But yeah, then you can also go to inputs blocked and block a certain input, like let's say HDMI 1. For example, I have a PlayStation plugged into HDMI 1 and I just don't want someone to use the PlayStation input, so I can block it, and then if I want to use it, I can just enter the PIN and use it. But if someone else wants to use it and they don't know the PIN, they won't be able to use that input. And also you can change the PIN in parental controls by entering first the current PIN, then changing it to something new. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.